Hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. This week, we're going to look at a very simple function inside of Google Workspace, and that is the HSTACK function, or the horizontal stack function. So what does this function do? Well, the function appends arrays horizontally and in a sequence to return a larger array. That's pretty complex, so we're going to take a look at an example here. And the syntax is very simple. There can be pretty much as many arguments as you want, but in the most basic sense, there's going to be two arguments within the syntax. You're going to have your range, and that is the first range that you'll append, and then you'll have your second range in a data set, and you can add more if you'd like to. So let's go ahead and jump right in. You'll see behind me here, we have some numbers right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have some product names, widget, screws, bolts, nuts, and shims. And we want to make those in a horizontal stack, all in one list. So the way we do that is by using the HSTACK function. So let's get started. We're going to hit the equal sign, type in HSTACK, open our bracket. The first thing we're going to do is select our first array, which is right here, our numbers. Then we're going to put a comma in, and we're going to select our second range, which is our products, and then go ahead and hit enter. And you'll see that it puts them horizontally in a sequence so that it's easier to read. Now, if you wanted to add to that, you can simply come over here, and let's say you wanted to add another range of products for whatever reason. We'll go ahead and select the same one. So you see we now have 3 pieces in our syntax, or 3 arguments in our syntax. When we hit enter again, it'll add that again, and you can keep going on and on. So that's the horizontal stack function inside of Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, share with all your friends, and we'll see you back here on Lean Strategies International, LLC.